This tutorial is to help explain how we've been working on two-step word problems. So the first thing we do is we read the question. The tour boats at the Laguna can carry 8 passengers. Jacob watched 6 boats float by. One of the boats had 2 empty seats. The others were full. How many passengers were on the 6 boats? So we've been working on writing two-step equations for these. So the first thing that we have been doing in the classroom is we're highlighting the first piece of information in the word problem that we're going to use to write the first part of our equation. So that would be that the boats carry 8 passengers and that Jacob watched 6 boats float by. So we have the 6 boats, and each of those boats carry 8 passengers. In doing that, the student should be able to recognize that in order to find the total number of seats or passengers on the boats, they would write 6 times 8 as a multiplication equation. Put it in parentheses so we know to do that first when we're done with our equation. Now the second thing we would do is continue to read the problem to figure out what the next step is going to be. Well, the next part of the equation says that one of the boats had 2 empty seats. So we look at that 2 empty seats and we think, how would we show that using multiplication, addition, subtraction, or division? Well, empty seats would be 2 less, so that would be subtraction. So then we would subtract 2 from our total number of seats on the boats. Now we have the equation all set up, ready to solve. So the students would do 6 times 8, which is 48, then bring down the minus 2, which would then equal 46 passengers. And that's how we've been working on two-step word problems. Again, to review, the first step that we've been doing is reading the problem, and then we highlight the first set of information, figure out what equation, what math problem would match that highlighted bit of information. We write that in parentheses, and then we read the rest of the word problem, find out what the next number is going to be, and figure out our operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, and then we complete our equation and then solve at the end.